In this video, we will give you the step-by-step instructions on how to properly assemble the PURELL FS6 and FS8 dispenser stand. To begin, slide the base collar over one end of the post. The post ends are identical, therefore the base collar will attach to either end. Next, set the base plate on top of the post and base collar, and align the 4 holes. Use the hex wrench to secure with 4 screws. Now, turn the assembly over so the base plate is resting on the floor. Position the head mounting bracket on the free end of the post and use the hex wrench to secure with the 4 remaining screws. If the assembly is closed, open the head assembly from the side. Next, align the head subassembly over the end of the post by inserting the tab in a downward motion into the slot of the post. To securely click into place, push the head subassembly down and ensure all 4 clip features of the mounting clip are seated over the ribs. Ensure the long rib is positioned under the clip on both sides before proceeding to the next step. If incorrect, push down on the rib until it's fully seated in the correct position. Then gently pull up on the head to verify that it is fully latched in place. In this step, we will nest the strainer in the drip tray. Orient with the tabs front and back as shown, then place the pair in the recesses at the top of the post. Insert a full bottle of PURELL Sanitizer by pressing until the bottle snaps into position. Next, we will demonstrate how to install a refill replacement. To begin, open the front cover of the stand. Push out on the inside ridges and on the outside divot to unhook the latch. Then pull the cover forward and swing to open. Remove the empty bottle by pushing the green release tab and then pull the bottle forward. Insert a full bottle of PURELL Sanitizer by pressing until the bottle snaps into position. Lastly, close the stand cover and squeeze both sides of the head to ensure that it latches shut. To actuate the dispenser, pass your hand under the spout until you get a full dose of sanitizer. For more information about our products, visit www.purellsolution.com/fs-stand.